Ways to make wise financial decisions. Part 2. Spending money wisely involves making intentional and informed choices that align with your financial goals. Here are some strategies to help you spend money wisely. Understand interest rates. Understand the interest rates associated with loans, credit cards, and other financial products. Choose products with favorable terms to minimize interest costs. Prioritize high-interest debt. If you have outstanding debts, prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. This may include credit cards or loans with high interest rates. Build and maintain good credit. Manage your credit responsibly to build and maintain a good credit score. A higher credit score can result in better loan terms and lower interest rates. Limit credit card use. If you use credit cards, do so responsibly. Pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Use credit cards that offer rewards or cash back for purchases you regularly make. Reevaluate insurance coverage. Periodically review your insurance coverage to ensure it aligns with your needs. Adjust coverage as necessary based on changes in your life circumstances. Negotiation skills. Wise financial behavior includes having good negotiation skills. This applies to various aspects of life, including salary negotiations, business transactions, and major purchases. Open communication about finances. Financially wise individuals are open to discussing financial matters with family members or financial advisors. Transparent communication fosters a shared understanding and joint decision-making. Seek professional advice. Consult with financial advisors, accountants, or other professionals for guidance on complex financial matters. Professional advice can provide valuable insights tailored to your situation. Stay informed. Stay updated on financial news, market trends, and economic indicators. Being informed about the financial landscape allows you to make decisions based on a broader understanding of the market. Educate yourself. Invest time in financial education to understand personal finance concepts, investment strategies, and economic trends. Knowledge empowers informed decision-making. Review and adjust. Regularly review your financial plan and make adjustments as needed. Life circumstances change, and your financial strategy should adapt accordingly. Build multiple income streams. Explore opportunities to build multiple income streams. This could include side hustles, investments, or passive income sources that supplement your primary income. Diversification in investments. Wise investors understand the importance of diversifying their investment portfolio. This helps spread risk and enhances the potential for stable returns over the long term. Being financially wise is a holistic approach that considers various aspects of personal finance, behavioral economics, and life planning. It involves making decisions that align with one's values, goals, and long-term well-being. Developing financial wisdom often requires a combination of education, self-awareness, and a commitment to ongoing improvement.